The Japanese yen slides further against the USD. It is now at a 24-year low. We're getting more and more volatility as we approach the big event on Friday, which is the Bank of Japan policy update. Now, this is what the current situation looks like. The Japanese yen is trading at 134.86 against the US dollar, which is a fresh 24-year low. The previous low was at 134.76. And as you can see here from this daily candlestick, it is a break of the previous low. So the Japanese yen continues to weaken against the US dollar. We have a lot of volatility in the other pairs as well, especially in the indices. We have the S&P 500 and NASDAQ futures down more than 1%. And we also have oil and gold down as well. So risk-off mood in the market today. Everyone is looking towards that central bank meeting on Friday. Now, the focus really is on the Bank of Japan, because out of all the central banks around the world, they are the only ones still maintaining a dovish monetary policy. All the other central banks have either started to hike rates or they have signaled clearly that they will start to hike rates soon. But the Bank of Japan is still maintaining this ultra-loose monetary policy. They're still sticking with negative interest rates. They're still buying government bonds and they're still buying assets. So as long as the Bank of Japan sticks with this ultra-loose monetary policy, we can expect the yen to continue to weaken. That's why we're seeing a lot of volatility in the run-up to the central bank meeting on Friday. The market is pricing in a potential for a change in policy, even if it's just a slight change, but any change will be considered as hawkish. Now, what do you think? Do you think the Bank of Japan will change their policy on Friday? Let me know what you think in the comments below. For now, the market is in this risk-off mode. We're seeing safe haven buying of the US dollar and the Japanese yen, but we're also seeing a lot of volatility in the indices as well. We're seeing a lot of volatility in the crypto market. Bitcoin is down more than 7% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum is down more than 10%. So this is the time of the year where things get a bit choppy. You know, we're at the end of the month, we're at the end of the quarter, and we're also at the end of the year. So this is when a lot of the volatility tends to pick up. That's it for me today. If you like this video, feel free to leave a like, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in the next one.